So far, we have used exclusively sticky cards to represent physical objects and locations, but for pieces of story, you'll more typically use single-use cards so you don't show individual stories more than once. Let's do some of that. We'll add some flavor text about what other customers are doing. As with the current product listing, we'll reuse the code for all the businesses. So we're going to create a passage, and we're going to call this one product story. Yeah, let's call it product story. Alright, are we tagging this anything? No, this is going to be something we're going to include. So we're going to be getting cards. So we're going to say, we're going to set some product, we're going to set some world state. So set underscore product story to true. We're going to set underscore story cards. Alright, this is getting in my way. Set underscore story cards to qbn.cards. And we're this time, so qbn.cards also takes a limit parameter that says don't draw more cards than this. So we're going to ask for just a single product story, and then we're going to unset underscore product story. Alright. Then if we found a story, we'll display it. So if underscore story cards.length, and JavaScript's kind of sloppy about this. We should probably say is greater than 0. I don't know, but you can get away with saying just that. The problem is that it'll also, if it's a string, an empty string will be false, and I don't know, whatever, it's fine. Include all underscore story cards, and this will just show the content of that story card. And then we're going to close the if statement. Okay, now we will include this in all three businesses. Where are we going to put this? Let's put it after the current products, and let's put a little space in here. Include product story. And if I was thinking, I would have copied that so I could just paste it, but it wasn't. Include product story. I'm going to copy that this time. Alright, and then at the docs, if I go right here, I can just paste. Cool. Alright. And let's test that that works with no stories. We didn't drive. Oh, I included this. So I changed the font also. Whatever. Russet potatoes. It doesn't work. We're getting russet potatoes. Why are we getting russet potatoes? Let's see. So that means products is still set. So let's see, set, and this is include current products. So we need to look at current products. Ah, see, this is what happens when you don't unset the variable. So unset underscore product. Okay. Now, see, this is why we test. Oh, I don't need to do that. Whatever. Fair weather. Yes. Drive. No, we're done with this now. Okay. So let's open the broccoli passage, and let's set a temporary variable. We're going to say set underscore broccoli to true. So this says there is broccoli here, and we're not going to unset it. It'll get unset if you go to somewhere else. All right. Then we can create a new passage, which is stuck right in the middle, of course. We'll put it here. Now let's make another one. Broccoli 3. This is I said that already. That this is sort of the fast way to make passages, is just make links and then it sets the title for you or whatever, and then you can just delete them. Alright, so this one we are going to tag it with, this is going to be just card, because that's what we're experimenting with, and rec product story, all one word, and rec broccoli. We could also tag it rec location EQ Fairweather, but since they're the only ones selling broccoli, we'll leave it out. And then let's write something here. Let's see, a woman in her 60s, stop short. Is that organic broccoli? This should be in quotes, shouldn't it? Look at that / color. That's the most beautiful broccoli I've ever seen. I'll have to buy some for my dog. He / loves broccoli. Alright. And we'll give it a title. Just again so we can identify it from the outside. Okay. And let's test that comes up. So, oh, wait a minute. What are the conditions for broccoli? Let's make sure that, nope, not that one. When are these coming? Cool month. So, okay, so this is in Fairweather Farm. That happens in the cool month is 4 and 5 or 9, 10, 11, 12 or whatever, 9, 10. Okay, so we're going to go for April. Play. Next month. Let's drive to Fairweather. They don't have broccoli. We don't have a story. We go next month. We drive to Fairweather. Whoa, they have all this stuff. Broccoli. Alright, and if we drive and then we exit the car, we've already seen that story. So now there's nothing else left. Alright, so we only see the story once. Let's add a couple more, I guess. A large black pickup truck parks outside, and a broad-shouldered man, a torn sweatshirt, enters the store. Oh, good. They do have broccoli today. Come on. I got a nice piece of sharp cheddar at Anderson's. I'm craving some cream of broccoli soup. Alright, again we tag this card, we tag this rec product story, and we tag it rec broccoli. Did I leave anything out? What do we got? Yep. This one again, tag card, tag rec product story, tag rec broccoli. What else? I had another one. Oh, sure. A young couple meanders through the store. One turns to the other. How about we make beef and broccoli tonight? We have those steak tips in the fridge that we need to use. Quote. Alright, so now we should be able to play. Next. May is still a cool month. We go to Fairweather Farm. We're going to get one of these. These are going to come up in a random order. Drive, we exit the car. We're going to get another one. We drive, we exit car. We're going to get the third one, and then we come back. And they're that. And even if we change the month again, July is a hot month, so we go to Fairweather, they don't have broccoli. We go home, we go August, September, October's a cool month. We go to Fairweather, they do have broccoli, but we've seen all the stories. Okay, I think this is about as far as I'm going to take this example, so hopefully it's enough to get you started, even though it's still just a setting rather than a story with any kind of plot. But yeah, I think that covers the basics.